Finally got that corner done. And my buddy Ken's gonna come here and we're gonna put a door in here, a 3-foot door, just to give access into there. Gyprock it all off. Nothing that'll be noticeable. It's nice, but yeah, not an easy corner to do. A lot of angles and dangles. I just gotta trim it up, make it easier to put the corner brace. But yeah, almost completely done with the gyprock down here. Just got to put in the door, more gyprock, and then finish up the game room, put in the 2 doors, and the electrician, the bathroom. These are tiles that we bought. Color, it's like a textured gray, but it's non-slip, so it's great for a bathroom. So that'll be done pretty soon when the contractor has time. But yeah, that area closed off. Just an update.